Hello, thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's take a look at the official Lego clone backpack. And guys, this is what you get in the new 501st Lego battle pack. And you can see the backpack, this is what you get. And I think you're pretty lazy making these backpacks because they are like, they look terrible, let's be honest. So I think I'll show you my alternative backpacks. So yeah, to build this backpack you need these pieces. First of all, you need this piece you get from the official Lego backpack, this one, the black one. And yeah, you need that one and a very interesting piece, this yeah, and you need these two standard gray studs, and they're pretty common. I think you got these. And then we have this one and a 1x2 blues gray tile, and the last piece, the same one like that. Okay guys, that was all the pieces. Let's build it. First off, you want to grab this one and grab this one and put it down there on the top, and then this tile the back, and it should look like this. And then you take the, I call it jetpacks, you put it on the side, the left side, and the other one the right side. There you go. And you take the and put the last studs here on both sides, and there you go. Then you have a very cool looking backpack instead of the official Lego. So the backpack is pretty much ready to be used. So yeah, you can just put down your backpack and yeah, build your minifigure like that. And this is what it's gonna look like. I think the backpack design turned out pretty well, because it looks like the backpack have a like fifth jetpack in the middle, except for the size. It looks pretty smooth. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I have another, so let's take a look at that. And the next backpack is very simple too, and you're gonna need this piece from the original backpack. Now I'll show you how you're gonna build it. You'll put down this one again, this side on the top, there you go, and you'll put this one on the left and another one on the right. Then you use this one as an extra piece from the battle pack. You can put it, I'll put it here, and this little grab thing here, I'm gonna put this down there. And then you're done with the next backpack. It's not pretty because I had very limited parts building this backpack. So yeah, that's the backpack number 2. That is all for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my backpack video. Yeah, this is the 2 backpacks. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.